It's the Refined Reseller. Thanks for tuning in to my YouTube channel. In this video, I show you how to create a markdown sale on eBay. It's easy to do, so check it out. If you're an eBay seller like me, you probably have bought some items and they have not sold quite as quickly as you had hoped. So what do? You have a markdown sale. So come along as I create a markdown sale. But first, please take the time to like this video, subscribe to my channel, and click the notification bell so you'll be notified when I post a new video. About a year ago, I bought 300 women's jackets. I've sold a lot of them, but I still have some left. It's been over a year, so I'm just really ready to get rid of them, so I'm having a markdown sale. I made my money back a long time ago, so the ones I have left, I have absolutely nothing invested in them, so I am willing to decrease the price and get rid of them. So let's go to my Seller Hub and I will show you exactly how to create an eBay markdown sale. Here I am on Seller Hub. I want you to let you know I'm going to go slowly so you can understand exactly what to do. If you kind of already know how to do this and I'm going too slow, I apologize ahead of time, but I just want to be clear on exactly how to do this. The first thing you need to do is go to Marketing and click Promotions. Once that comes up, you will come over here to the right side where it says Create a Promotion. You will click the drop-down menu and click Sale Event and Markdown. So when you get here, you have an option. You can either do a percentage off or you can do a specific amount off. I am going to do a percentage off, and I am going to list these or put these on sale at 40% off because I really want to get rid of them and I want to give the buyer an incentive to buy them. And I think a 40% off discount is a pretty good deal. Now we have to go and select the items, so you will see that down here in the lower right-hand corner. Go ahead and click Select Items. And you can do 500 items per promotion. You can actually do 10,000, but there are some rules. I have never done this. Of course, I do not have anywhere near enough items to put that many on sale. You probably don't either, so I'm going to go ahead and click Select Items. So right here, you can search by item title. Most of the jackets that I have are by Indigo Moon. And I am going to click the search button here. And 26 jackets came up. As you can see, they are currently listed for $19.99. I'm going to put them on sale at 40% off. So I think that's $12.99 or something like that. So what I want to do is I want to select all of them. I am going to click the button right here, and it is going to select all of my jackets. Now I need to go down here and click Confirm Selections. Okay, so I've got all of these done, and actually what I would like to do is go ahead and add some more items. I'm going to do that, and because the reason for that is I know I have some Chico jackets, so I'm going to type in CHICO and see how many of those come up. I have 13 of those, so I'll do the exact same thing. I will select all of them, click Confirm Selections. And now I have 39 jackets that I need to go ahead and mark down 40%. So let's go ahead and do that. I need to click Save and Review. And now I need to give the event a name. So I am just going to put Spring Jacket Sale 40% off with an exclamation point. When do I want it to start? I'm going to go ahead and start it today, which is April the 27th, and I'm going to run it for an entire month. You can select how long you want to run this: 1 day, 2 days, 3 days, a week, a month, a year, whatever you would like to do. I'm going to go ahead and do a month. And as you can see here, this is very important. It may take up to 12 hours from the start time for the sale event to begin. I have found that to be true. I know that whenever you go ahead and click this, it is not going to automatically start for whatever reason. eBay delays it for a little while. So if you go ahead and do this sale and you don't automatically see that your items are on sale, don't worry about it because they will be sooner than later. Sale event description, I'm going to go ahead and put the same thing. Spring jacket sale, exclamation point, up to 40% off, exclamation point. Now, here you can take there's a thumbnail that will go ahead and go on the listing, or whenever somebody sees this sale, they will see this thumbnail. This one is okay with me. I could select this one, or I could select this one, but I like this one. So I am good with that. Then I need to go ahead and click launch, and the sale will be launched. So there you have it, how to create a markdown sale on eBay. As I told you and showed you, it's very easy to do. I hope you learned something from watching this video. If you did and you found it informative, please take the time to like this video, subscribe to my channel, and click the notification bell so you'll be notified when I post a new video. This is the Refined Reseller saying, as always, do like me, buy low, sell high, good sourcing, good selling, and I'll see you next time.